lots of water. Hey, good afternoon. Mid-afternoon, that is. This is Jeff Whitney Dool, and with my brother Hick. He's whipping up a little Sunday special. We're having some company over. We're not going to show you all the details today because we're busy. We're enjoying ourselves. But Hick said, hey, get a load of these tomatoes here. So he's dusting some tomatoes. Let me switch it back over to you, Hick. On, Hick.
Fried green tomatoes, Southern tradition. Dredging them in a flour mixture, which has salt, pepper, paprika, a little curry. Dredging them in the flour mixture, and then back into the egg, and then back into the flour. And let them sit on the rack a little bit.
Is that similar to the pork chops you just did?
Yeah.
Those were delicious, folks, by the way. They were delicious.
Spiced up the flour a little bit more today, hopefully. I'm not really a fryer, but I've fried green tomatoes a few times. That was my first time to fry pork chops, though. I almost forgot to put it back in the flour. But yeah, we'll let them sit there for a little bit before we fry them. I might even double dip them, or triple dip them.
Ooh, we were going to have plenty of fried green tomatoes. What you got there?
Beans. It's like a
oh, that looks like an Asian.
The Asian barbecue beans. Spiced it up with some garlic, some onion. Got some steaming artichokes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Bread, baking.
Yeah, we'll go over to there in a bit. We need these canisters out of the way here. Stuff we can't see. There we go. Oh, what's this in the frying pan here?
Oh, that's some. That's what the tomatoes going to fry in eventually. But
right
now it's just some hot plates.
Cool. Well, Hick, you're doing a good job. I see you still are working on this back side here, aren't you?
Oh, that's a job.
Yeah. So he says. So he says. Everything is a job. Well, folks. Oh, there's another chef to be, Mr. Wolf. Mr. Wolf. How are you, Mr. Wolf? Oh, I'm just relaxing. Hey, how we are who we are because we are. And I would open up the lid and show you the barbecue, but I'm not. But I did. Been cooking this for about 2 hours now. I'm about 240 temperature-wise. And it's hot. So we're going to leave it at that. And we're going to come right back to you very soon. And this is some of our sitting area here, too. So, this is life at the Dogtrot on a Sunday afternoon. Hey, folks. I'm back at the Dogtrot, at the kitchen of the Dogtrot. We're checking out Chef Hick here, smelling that good fried green tomatoes. Oh, what's cooking, Chef?
Fried green tomatoes.
Fried green tomatoes? Oh, yeah.
Still the artichokes almost done, but sure I got enough water now.
Move that coffee pot out of the way there. Pick him up again. Oh, yeah. Okay. So we're cooking how's the double batter going?
It's going good.
That dip was delicious too, by the way. Cool. All right, well, we'll be back to you when it comes time. How's the bread looking? Let's see if I can bring the camera down into it.
Wow, we need to clean that little glass. It's like looking in a submarine or something.
Yeah, it is.
We all live on a white submarine.
This is our bread maker.
Oh, it's rising.
Yeah, I see.
Even it didn't collapse.
Yeah, I see. That's what we're doing bread on now, folks. And I calculated that out a while ago to be about 87 cents a little loaf of bread.
From our last loaf, you know.
Oh, yeah.
But collapsed on top.
Yeah.
But still, it's tasty.
Yep, sure is. Good sopping bread, too. That was delicious last night, what you made.
Yeah.
What was that, Chef?
It was called leftover mush. With a slice of bread to sop up the mush.
Oh, I don't think... I don't like the name mush.
Well, it was potatoes with the asparagus left over, put in it, and one little bit of the pork chop sliced up really thin and all mixed in potato and then fried.
Uh-huh. Look my way. Yeah. Good. Well, look my way and talk.
Oh, what do you want me to talk about?
Well, just what you're talking about. I'm not...
Good. I couldn't stop looking for something to eat last night. It was so tasty.
Yeah, it was all gone. All gone.
Yeah.
History. Okay. Well, I guess we'll get ready
You ate everything,
too. Uncle Al or Mr. Green Jeans. Who will be here today? Well, we'll soon see. So, I bid you farewell for now, and we'll be back. This is Jeff Whitney Duell at the Dogtrot. Life at the Dogtrot.
We used every bit of that tomato, too, even the little ends.
Oh, boy. Hey, you know what? That dip's going to be good on that tomato, too. With just plain mayonnaise on them. I can't wait. Our ribs are still cooking. They're still bouncing. They went up a little bit in temperature. About 275. We're just letting them slow cook. And then we'll peel them back here soon. And we got our sitting area all set and ready for Mr. Green Jeans. You know, exercise. That's another thing I want to completely black.